Learn how to safely upgrade FortiGate firmware using the GUI with a step-by-step guide covers pre-checks, upgrade process and others. Log into FortiGate GUI, system then firmware and registration for update firmware. You are now able to view the current firmware version together with the device status. Select the device, then click Upgrade. Here shown all types of firmware list. Go to the All Upgrades tab to check for a suitable version for this device. Here you can see all upgrade, downgrade, and manual firmware upload options. We are updating the firmware from version 7.4.8 to 7.6.6. Two mature firmware versions are available for upgrade on this device, July 4, 2011 and 7.6.6. Select the firmware versions, then click Confirm and Backup Config. Next, initiate a backup. The system will automatically download the backup file to your local PC. After that, the firmware starts downloading to the devices and the image is installed. The process may take time depending on internet speed and system performance. After the image is installed, the system will reboot. During the reboot, please wait and ensure that the power remains on. It's take 5 to 7 minutes based on system performance. Once you start receiving pings from the FortiGate firewall, try logging into the firewall again. Successfully logging into the firewall again. Click Later for Migrate Config Setup. Click Don't Show again. At the end of the process, verify that the FortiGate firmware has been successfully upgraded to version 7.6.6. All services are running. Thank you for watching.